Hello everyone, as we have already learned about how to create a table in MS Word. So today we will proceed with the topic how to add data to a table.
This is Microsoft Word, right? And you have already learned how to create a table in previous video, right? Now, once you have added a table to your document, you need to add the data to it. Click in the cell, okay? Click in the cell where you want to add the data and type the value you want. Let's suppose I'm typing here computer, okay? And to move to the next cell, if you want to move to this cell, okay, either press the tab key, this is a tab key, or you can press the right arrow key. Okay, I'm pressing the right arrow key. Look here, right? Understood? If you want to move to the next cell, then you can press the tab key or right arrow key. And if you want to move to the previous cell, okay, then press shift plus tab key, or you can press the left arrow key. Understood? Understood now? Now let's see how to select a row or a column. Okay, to select a row, you have to bring the mouse pointer, okay, bring the mouse pointer to the left of the selection bar and click on it to select the entire row. Okay, you just have to double click on it, okay, and your row will be selected. Understood? And similarly, if you want to select the column, okay, if you want to select the column, then bring the mouse pointer to the top of the column called the selection bar area. Okay, this is called selection bar area, and the pointer changes to the black arrow pointing towards downward, right? Click, you just have to click to select the column. Okay, just single click on it and your column will be selected. Understood? You can also select a row or a column by pointing on the first cell and pressing the left mouse key and dragging the mouse. Okay, like this. You just have to drag the mouse and you can select the row or a column. Understood? Now you can also select the whole table. Okay, you can also select the whole table. What you have to do, you just have to click on the move handle option. This is a move handle of the table. Okay, just click on it and the whole table will be selected. Understood? So after creating a table and adding data in it, we have already add data in it, right? Just like computer we have added, or here we can write maths, English, Hindi. Okay, so after creating a table and adding data in it, you can make changes to it as per your needs. Now let's see how to insert rows and column in a table. Okay, now rows can be added below or above a chosen row. Okay, let's suppose I want to insert a row above this science row. Okay, so first of all just click here, okay, and then right click. Here is an option insert, then I want to insert the row above. Okay, so select the insert rows above option and look here, one row has been inserted. Understood how to insert row above or below? Understood? Now in a similar manner you can insert the column also. Okay, column can be added to the left or right of the existing column. So let's suppose I want to insert the column at the left side. Okay, so right click here, then insert column to the left, because I want to insert the column to the left side. Click on it and your column will be inserted at the left side. Understood? Understood now how to insert column or rows. Now look here, there is no design or layout tab. Okay, but when we select the table, so the design and layout tab will appear. Understood? From here you can go, let's go to layout tab, and from here also you can insert the rows or you can insert the columns. Okay, understood? Insert row below, insert left, insert right. Okay, insert above. Understood? Here is one shortcut key also to insert row. To add an extra row, click in the last cell of the table. Okay, last cell of the table, then and press tab key. This is a tab key. Press tab key and a new row will be added. Understood? Now let's see how to delete a row and a column. So let's suppose I want to delete this row. Okay, so select the row or a column you want to delete. Okay, then you can right click also or click on delete rows. Okay, and the row will be deleted. Or there is another option, just select the row and in the layout tab here is an option delete. Click on delete rows and your row will be deleted, right? So from here also you can insert rows or delete rows, or insert column or delete columns. Understood? And in the similar manner, just select the column which you want to delete. Okay, and then you can right click on it and delete columns. Click on delete columns and your column will be deleted. Or you can go to layout tab and click on delete columns. Understood? So basically there are two methods to insert or delete rows and columns. Okay, first is you just have to right click on the rows or columns and then you can just go to the insert or delete option and you can insert columns or rows, or you can, if you want to delete, you can click on delete and the options will appear, you can delete, right? And other is you can just go to the layout tab and here is row and column paragraph. From here you can select the options which you want. If you want to insert, you can insert. If you want to delete, you can delete. Understood? Is it clear?
Understood now how to add data to a table. Now write down your homework, students.
Your homework is you have to read the topic adding data to a table, which we have done today. Okay, read the full topic till here. Understood?
So that's all for today. In next video we will be discussing merging and splitting the cells. Now write your name, class and section in comment section, and yes, don't forget to like and subscribe.